Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that the more you try to keep her close, the more distant she becomes? You're constantly texting, planning dates, and showing how much you care, yet she seems to be slipping away. Frustrating, right? But here's the reality. Sometimes the best move isn't to chase harder, it's to step back and allow space. I get it. This sounds completely counterintuitive, but trust me, giving her room to breathe is often what makes her come back on her own. Today I'm going to break down why this works, and more importantly, how to do it the right way. No games, no manipulation, just pure confidence and clarity. Mastering this will not only get her attention in a healthy way, but it will also help you maintain your peace of mind. Number 1. Why space works in relationships. Let's talk about the psychology behind why taking a step back is so powerful. It all comes down to the scarcity effect. People value things more when they're not always available. Think about it. When something is too easy to access, it loses its appeal. But when it's slightly out of reach, its value skyrockets. The same applies to relationships. If you're constantly available, always texting, calling, and checking in, your presence might start to feel routine, like background noise. But when you create a little distance, something interesting happens. She starts to notice your absence. Just like a favorite song that disappears from the radio for a while, she begins to appreciate you more when she doesn't hear from you as often. This subtle shift makes her wonder about you, bringing you back into her thoughts naturally. Number 2. The mistakes most guys make when they don't give space. A lot of guys unknowingly sabotage themselves by doing the exact opposite of what works. Here are the biggest mistakes. 1. Over-texting. You think that more messages will bring her closer, but in reality, it does the opposite. It can feel overwhelming, even suffocating. Instead of making her miss you, you're making her want to escape. 2. Being too available. Dropping everything to respond instantly? Bad move. It signals that you have nothing else going on, which can come across as needy. Women are drawn to men who have their own lives, goals, and passions. 3. Over-explaining yourself. If she starts pulling away, you might feel the need to explain yourself, justify your actions, or apologize for things that don't need explaining. This can kill attraction because confidence is attractive, desperation isn't. 4. Chasing too hard. When you feel her slipping away, your instinct might be to chase, show her you care more, and try harder. But relationships need balance. If one person is always the pursuer, the other naturally starts to withdraw. 5. Not respecting her need for space. Some guys see a woman's need for space as rejection, when, in reality, it could be exactly what strengthens the relationship. Respecting that space shows emotional maturity and increases your value in her eyes. Number 3. How to give her space the right way. When done correctly, creating space will not only bring her back, but also make your connection stronger. Here's how. Step 1. Reduce constant communication. This doesn't mean ghosting her, just ease back on how frequently you reach out. If you've been texting all day, cut back a little and let her initiate some conversations. Step 2. Focus on your own growth. Use this time to improve yourself. Hit the gym, pursue hobbies, set new goals. Women are naturally drawn to men who are focused on their own ambitions. If she sees you thriving without her constant attention, she'll become more intrigued. Step 3. Maintain a bit of mystery. Don't put every detail of your life on display, especially on social media. Let her wonder what you're up to, instead of always knowing your next move. A little unpredictability keeps things exciting. Step 4. Be confident in the distance. Confidence is key. If you're constantly worried about whether she's losing interest, she'll sense that insecurity. Instead, trust the process. When you carry yourself with the mindset that she'll miss you, she likely will. Women are naturally drawn to men who know their worth and aren't afraid of a little space. Step 5. Let her come to you. When she starts noticing your absence, she'll likely reach out. When that happens, don't jump in too eagerly. Respond, but keep it cool and natural. Let her feel like reconnecting is her choice, not something she's being pressured into. This balance keeps the attraction alive. Step 6. Build an abundant mindset. Scarcity creates anxiety, while abundance builds confidence. Instead of fixating on just one person, remind yourself that there are plenty of amazing people out there. When you cultivate an abundant mindset, you naturally become more attractive. Women are drawn to men who know they have options, not ones who act like their world will fall apart without one specific person. Step 7. Keep your standards high. Giving space isn't just about making her miss you, it's about valuing yourself. If you feel like she's consistently pulling away or not reciprocating your energy, ask yourself, is this the kind of dynamic I truly want? A healthy relationship is built on mutual effort. If you're the only one doing the work, it's time to reevaluate and ensure you're in a situation that respects your worth. Number 5. Take control of your relationships. Look, you've probably heard all sorts of advice. Just be patient. It'll happen naturally. But the truth is, success in relationships, like anything else in life, requires strategy and understanding. If you're tired of feeling lost, tired of chasing, and tired of not knowing what went wrong, it's time to make a change. Start by setting boundaries, prioritizing your own well-being, and learning the dynamics of attraction. When you take control of your actions and emotions, you will no longer feel powerless in your relationships. Understand this. Confidence isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about truly believing in your own worth. The moment you stop acting out of fear and start acting from a place of self-respect, you'll see a shift in how people respond to you. The right person will be drawn to your strength, not your desperation. Taking back control starts now. At the end of the day, relationships aren't about chasing, convincing, or trying to prove your worth to someone else. They're about connection, respect, and balance. And the moment you start acting from a place of confidence instead of fear, everything changes. So here's my challenge to you. Starting today, make a commitment to yourself. Stop overanalyzing every little thing she does. Stop trying to fix something that isn't yours to fix. And stop acting like your happiness depends on someone else's validation. Because it doesn't. What if, instead of obsessing over what she's thinking, you redirected that energy toward yourself? Toward your growth, your goals, your purpose. Imagine how different your life could be 6 months from now if you fully embrace that mindset. Imagine the confidence you'd radiate, the respect you'd command, not just from her, but from everyone around you. And the truth is, when you step into this version of yourself, the man who knows his worth, who doesn't need to beg for attention, who naturally attracts instead of chases, everything becomes easier. You'll never have to wonder if she respects you, if she's pulling away, or if you're doing too much, because when you set the right foundation, the right people will naturally gravitate toward you, and the wrong ones, they'll remove themselves. So take this knowledge and use it. Start building the life that makes you irresistible. Build the confidence that makes people drawn to you, not out of obligation, but out of pure attraction and respect. And remember, real change doesn't happen by accident. It happens when you decide you're done settling for less than you deserve. If this hit home for you, don't just watch. Take action. Drop a comment below and tell me your biggest takeaway. And if you want more insights like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. I'll see you there. Stay strong, stay focused, and remember, you are the prize.